Funny how the silence changes everything. Phones stop ringing when the spotlight dims. People swear forever when the room is loud, then disappear when life slows down. I used to pour myself into empty hands, trying to earn love I didn't understand, giving every ounce just to feel enough, while they only showed up when the nights got rough. Now I see it clearer in the cold blue light. Some hearts only visit when the time is right. When the noise dies down and the crowd fades out, you find out who's real when there's nobody around. When the lights burn low and there's nowhere to go, the ones who stay close are the ones worth holding on to. Yeah, loyalty whispers, it don't scream for attention. Real love stays breathing long after the tension. And I finally learned, not everybody deserves a seat inside my soul. Some people love mirrors more than human eyes. They chase validation dressed up as life, and if you stop feeding what they need to hear, you become invisible year by year. But real ones don't vanish when the shine gets thin. They sit through storms and the shape you're in. No performance needed, no stage, no act, just honest hearts that keep coming back. Funny how the quiet tells the truth so fast and exposes every connection built to crash. When the noise dies down and the crowd fades out, you find out who's real when there's nobody around. When the lights burn low and there's nowhere to go, the ones who stay close are the ones worth holding on to. Yeah, loyalty whispers, it don't scream for attention. Real love stays breathing long after the tension. And I finally learned, not everybody deserves a seat inside my soul. I'm done chasing people who only love applause, done carrying relationships that break without a cause. If I matter only when I'm filling empty space, then you never really saw me anyway. When the noise dies down and the world gets still, you learn who's standing there by pure free will. No spotlight needed, no games to defend, just the rare kind of people who stay till the end. Yeah, loyalty whispers,